I just thought it was awesome the amount of people that were watching. To Yachtyakka has come such a long way from Vuitton, to Bruno, Christine, to everybody from Vuitton, to all our sponsors, Emirates, Matthias and Nora's here, somewhere in here, I saw him, there he is, and so many supporters, but to all of you for coming down and making it possible. I was thinking today that it's probably 2003 since live America's Cup type sailing was on TV. This is the first time since it's been on TV in New Zealand, and it's the first time that the Viaduct has had that America's Cup feel again. We're just so pleased that we survived this America's Cup hiatus and the legal wrangles that went on, that we've stayed solid as a unit, thanks to Dean and all the guys, but a lot of the guys that aren't here that you don't see. And now we can plan and look forward to the future with some certainty. And one thing I can absolutely guarantee you is that we will be there, and our sole objective and reason for surviving is simply to try and bring the America's Cup back to New Zealand and back to Auckland.
Thank you, Mr. Now, Yachtyakka will present the trophy to Dean Blaster and John Dalton. Come, stay around. Come in the front. Turn around. Be careful. You want something soon? Yes. Wait a second. Yes, you need to drink something, eh? Hey, get there.